What is going on? So I'm currently already unboxed this gaming chair right here. It's a red one. I don't really know this company too well, but I'm gonna be unboxing this and putting this together for my little brother for Christmas. So you guys can kind of join me and watch me do it. We're gonna start putting the 5 legs on. I already got one on. I'm gonna make sure they're super tight as well. So they come in this little bag here, like this. They're like hooks. So obviously the holes line up with the holes on here, so you just pop it on like that. And you pop 2 screws in, and that's it. So let's get started. I'm using these little small screws. You don't need the long ones. All right, on the last leg. We got the legs on. Now we're gonna do this column piece here. Where exactly it is, I don't know, but I do have these shims that go on that one piece, and this one is broken. Oh man, that one's broken from the factory. And I'm still gonna use it. These are the wheels and the cylinder. All right. So we got the hydraulic cylinder. Okay. And then these are just pop-ins. Pop these wheels in. Yep, the cylinder just drops in place. So it should look something like this. Once all said and done, it should look something like this. We got all the hardware on, and we have these things put on, and the back pillow. So now we're going to move to the next part. The chair is all done. If you want one, you can find it at this website here. It was super easy to build, as you saw. It's super sturdy as well. It's not loose. I sat in it, it's very comfortable. I got all the bolts tight. So thank you for watching the unboxing on this. See y'all later.